Thank you for taking time and joining us at our Risk Awareness Day today.
AI is literally like a junior risk manager, like an extra junior risk manager to have in your team. It can significantly quicker perform risk identification, risk analysis, research, a lot of manual kind of admin tasks, research, discovery tasks that risk management is doing. AI can now speed it up significantly.
The most important aim of risk management is that you cannot eliminate all risks, but it helps you to preserve and to add enterprise value to take a smart risk decision.